Oh, yes, it is finally time to get up. I think it's 11 something. I did try to sleep in. Oh, yeah, guys, look at that. The painting is still on the bed. Well, not the painting, but you guys see it. The sketching did not take place. You know why? Because your girl, your sister, your YouTube friend, she likes to watch the television at night sometimes, and she'll fall asleep, but it's okay, it'll get done. So let me open up the windows and let some light in, and let's go ahead and set this on the floor and get ready to do it. I don't know, maybe later we'll get a chance to do it, but now it is time to look outside and see what the day brings. Oh wow, it's been raining all night and it's been raining all morning. Super soggy. Time to make up the bed.
Today, give it a try for free.
In that position. So, is right. Yeah. Where I believe this guy.
Well, hello, beautiful people. Happy Saturday, December 23rd, you guys. I am just in awe for, first of all, waking up this morning in my right mind. And as I just get up out the bed and just overlook my life, I'm just so grateful. I'm so grateful. Not for the things, just for being able to get up, being able to think, being able to open my eyes. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. Sometimes, guys, you have to just look around and be still and know that no matter how things may seem, it's still a beautiful day. Life is still good. And I don't think we should complain. I just don't. I've been through the ups, the downs, everything. And I still have a reason to be grateful. So, yeah. But guys, anyway, I just wanted to open up the video. I am so tired. As y'all can see, she did not get a chance to. I was supposed to be doing the sketch. Didn't do it. Because my body just said, this time you got to lay down. You got to go to sleep. Shut those eyes. Just turn off the TV. Go to sleep because you're tired. Just tired mentally, physically, emotionally tired. But I'm going to get it done today, though. But yeah, and then from vlogging every day, don't get me wrong, y'all. I love it. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you. I actually love showing people my simple I feel minimalistic lifestyle. I just do, including work, all the behind the scenes little things, family, just the little things of life. It doesn't have to be all of this, how people try to make it seem. You're still somebody if you have a simple, simplistic life. You're still a beautiful person, okay? So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and make my coffee with you guys, my cold coffee today, okay? So guys, did you think she was gonna do that without brushing her teeth and doing all the things before she makes the coffee? No, ma'am. So guys, I already did all the other stuff behind the scenes. Y'all know how it go. You guys know how it go. This is nothing but castor oil. I think you guys see that before. Castor oil that I put on my eyebrows, and guess what? It is working. Let me know, have y'all noticed that it's working, because I think it has worked. I do. I'm seriously wanting some coffee, guys, though. I seriously want some coffee. Some cold coffee. I have a taste for the cold coffee. Okay? Now, this is a simple, easy routine. I can't actually wait, though. My little thing here, I'm going to show y'all in a minute. My little thing here where I keep all my little stuff, it's getting smaller and smaller and smaller. Far as like the things that I use. And I'm proud of that, because that was my whole intention, is less is more to me. Okay? You guys can agree to disagree. You don't need all that stuff. Okay, let me back up for somebody trying to go off. Okay? Sonia doesn't need all that stuff to be so-called beautified every day, in the morning and things like that. Okay? I don't need all that stuff. You only need a few things. So let me show y'all real quick what I'm talking about. This little stuff right here, it's winding down. It's winding down. And that's what I'm talking about. So I don't feel like I need all that. But let's go make the cold coffee now. I'm still beautiful, wonderful. Yes, for that one. Okay? Make your own Starbucks at home. I don't care. Make it at home. But anyway, it's so good. I offered y'all some, right? Okay. But guys, these lights, I am loving them. And y'all know I had that other one, but it don't have a bag. I need to get some batteries, because I'm going to show y'all where I need to actually put this one. Up under here. Up under there, because I told y'all, I did take those other ones back to Walmart. They were the big fat ones they were ran by too many batteries. These only have 3 little AAs. I think, is it AA or AAA? I don't know, y'all. The ones with the little bitty battery. So it's going to give off that detail that I like. So let me finish up my coffee. Let me get dressed, and we'll be back. Guys, y'all already know what I'm gonna say. It's cold outside. I can't really take y'all with me, but if you want to know the weather girl, the forecast, it's like 36 degrees. It's very, what do you call it when it's raining, like drizzle, and it's drizzle or cold. Y'all already know we had snow, so it's drizzle now. But I had to get out here. I got to meet with somebody, take care of some personal behind the scenes stuff. Y'all know how it is. But I just want to let somebody know, no matter what the weather is, get out here, get out in nature, do something for yourself, okay? Do something for you. Because this is the time of year people be depressed. That's why you got to get away from that stuff so you won't be feeling like that. But get out here and get out in nature. Get out and walk, or do whatever you got to do. Walk to the store. Go walk somewhere, do something, but just get out and do something, okay? Just wanted to say that. I'll see you guys back at the home front. When we get home later, we're going to do some art and we're going to put that table up, okay? Yeah, I'm back again. I'm leaving Target. I found my espressos. I'll see you guys when I get home so we can get this stuff taken care of, all right? Y'all, it's super rainy out here. It's late too, kind of. What y'all doing at this time? I don't be out here in these streets at this time of day, but I was on my way home, y'all. I had stopped over a friend's house and had some little bit of wine, and I'm gonna go home and have some more wine later on. But I found my pause. I'll show y'all when I get home. All right, y'all, let's get into it. This is an after dark haul. I'm just not getting home. It's like 6 something, but y'all gonna get this video tonight. But I picked up from Dollar Tree these Panasonic batteries. You only get 4. I wish it was 6. And I picked up these made in the USA caramel clusters and peanut butter from Dollar Tree. That is the batteries is for my light that I showed y'all earlier, which is these beautiful bright lights right here. And then I picked up from Target 2 things of Starbucks coffee. I got the single origin Columbia, and I got the Starbucks Blonde Espresso, which is the smooth and sweet notes, and then the Columbia one is the walnut and herb notes. This one is 7.77 ounces. This is 1.35 ounces. This is a 10 pack versus a 8 pack. I usually pay almost $30 to $40, and I get 30 for that price. From Target for 18, I don't think it's bad. I got them both packs for 24. Let's get ready to move this table and paint this picture, and we'll be back. All right, y'all, I'm so super scared. So the first thing I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to bring this over here because I don't want to drop that glass. That glass is super, super duper heavy, and I ain't taking no chances. Just try to prove a point to people. No, ma'am. Okay? So let's see how I'm gonna do this. Oh my gosh, y'all, this glass is so freaking heavy. Damn. Oh my God. Oh my, hold on, y'all. I gotta do something. Oh. Oh my gosh, what's going on? Lord have mercy. Hold on, y'all. Because what I'm gonna have to do is get it up here. You gotta do what you gotta do, y'all. And then, please don't, please don't. Woo, y'all. This just goes to show you, I am not used to moving stuff. It's been a long time, y'all. Oh, let me get it over there. That is crazy. Lord have mercy. All right. Now, Jesus. Help us, sister, please. Help me, please. Whoa. All right, we got it. Now, I'll be back in a minute, y'all. Okay? Jesus, help me. Oh. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna do it for me. This video is about to be over. So guys, I'm gonna sit here, sit and sip and paint, or sip and sketch my picture tonight, okay? So guys, I will see y'all in another video. See you tomorrow. Y'all, the table's sexy, right? It's sexy black. I knew it. But I will see y'all in another video. I'm gonna go ahead and go back on Google, sketch what I'm gonna sketch, and I'll see y'all in the next one. She about to sip and sketch, okay? That's good. That is good.